Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. So in today's video, I am going to make a orchid mount, and I am going to use this screen. I don't know how big the screen is. We can measure it. I have my tip measure. Okay, this is a 1/2 inch mesh. So we are going to, I am going to use this. I already make a circle out of it. I made this last year, but I couldn't figure what am I going to do with these ones, so I just keep waiting and waiting and waiting. But yesterday when I received my new orchids, I thought, oh, I can use that mesh that I made last year. And also this here, this is a coconut fiber. I asked my husband, Equip Yourself Life Skill, to buy me one of these, and this is 36 by 36 inches. So I am going to use this to wrap this screen. So without further ado, let's do it. Oh, by the way, this is 24 inches. Let's see the measurement if I'm correct. Yes, that's 24 inches. So I am also going to use this zip tie, plastic zip tie, to secure this there, and then I am going to use this to secure it more, you know, to wrap it around like that. This is a floral wire, so let's do it. Oh, it's tight. I always try to recycle things, so this is a wire. I can definitely use this for whatever project I'm gonna do in the future, so I'm going to save that, both of it. Now it's so hard to use this one. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think I am going to, oh no. Okay, let's see. I didn't thought about that, but I think I am going to just make a trim, just trim some of it here. See? Oh no. There we go. I am just gonna wrap it this way. So, Yep, I dropped my measuring tool, my tip measure. So I'm just gonna get a exact length of it. Ooh, this smells good. The coconut fiber, it smells so good. I'm going to trim this, so I'm just trying to find how much I need. Okay, so I think I am going to trim up to here. All right, let's move this first so it's not in my way. Okay, there is my scissor. Put that there. That is 22 inches. Okay. All right. And then I am going to measure 24 up. Here we go. Yeah, it seems it's just like you are going to trim a cloth. Yep. Let's do it this way so I can show you how I'm gonna measure this. Oops, too much. I only need 24. And there you go. And it's here. All right. $24. So that's up there. Right. Yeah, I want to make sure that I have a straight cut. That way I don't mess the other part of it, because I can still use it with my other project. Now this here, I can still use it with other project. So I'm just going to keep this. You know, I can make another, a little shorter one, like this one here. All right. Now it's time for the hard thing. So we're gonna use this one. Oh. I am going to secure it more. Okay, so I think this is it. See? Yeah, I leave it hollow there. That way the orchid's roots will just gonna go here. But I can also put something in here, I mean on here, to if I decided to put a moss in here, you know, sphagnum moss, if I decided to do that, I can always put something here to cover this one and put moss here. Oops. There. So this is it. This is the mount made of chicken wire. This is actually a chicken wire and a cocoa fiber. So thank you all so much, everybody, for watching my video and for joining me. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.